Meaning of inductively.
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 Inductively. The term inductively refers to the process of reasoning from specific observations or examples to general conclusions or theories. Inductive reasoning involves recognizing patterns in data or experiences and using those patterns to form hypotheses or predictions about future occurrences. This approach is often used in scientific research and can result in the discovery of new phenomena or the identification of relationships between variables. Inductive reasoning is contrasted with deductive reasoning, which involves starting with general principles and reasoning down to specific conclusions based on that generalization.